So we're going to do the Witness Canine Parvovirus Test Kit. In it we have our extraction buffer, a disposable extraction device, and a pouch that contains our kit itself. So, for sample collection, we're going to remove the swab and we're going to add our extraction buffer up to the graduated line on the cylinder. I'm going to shake my sample up a little bit because it's quite watery. If this were a solid stool sample, you would just want to roll your swab around in it and not get too much, but enough for the test. So I'm just trying to get some fecal matter. We're going to secure this down. Now we're going to want to shake this. I'm going to tap it for at least 5 seconds. You can tap the bottom where it can kind of see how it bubbles up a little bit from the base. Once it's all nice and mixed, we're going to snap off at this blue line. See, now we have kind of a rudimentary pipette capillary system here. We're going to invert it and put 5 drops into this well here labeled number 1. We can do this by just squeezing the tube. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to leave this device flat and we're going to read it in about 10 minutes. It is possible to read the test before the 10-minute mark, but if you're not getting any bands, even in your control, then you're going to want to wait for the full 10 minutes. So we see our first band in number 2. So our control band is actually number 3. And there we have it. That's a positive interpretation. Our sample is number 2. The control is number 3. That's our positive control. Since we see a band in both, this is a valid positive test. If we didn't see a band at all, but we saw band number 3, that would be a valid negative test. If you don't see a band in that third line, then it's considered invalid and we need to rerun the test.